Hello everybody. This is a bike check. We go from the front and back. We have Odyssey tire on a Odyssey quadrant rim laced to a stock hub. We have spunk pegs. We have we have stock forks. We have Sunday's headset on a Odyssey, I believe, and Ross's stem. Got from a friend of mine. We have stock Odyssey 8 rise bars, painted them kind of like a metallic black. We'll have ODI grips. I did have ODI bar ends, but they fell out, so I'm trying to get new ones. Then we have 2010 Sunday wave frame. It's pretty good, sturdy. I recommend everybody use it. We'll have Black Label seat post, pivotal seat post. We'll have, sorry for all my little inglings. Then we'll have Sunday's seat clamp. We'll have Twisted PC stock. I guess like a neon orange pedals. We have stock cranks. Odyssey 25 sprocket. I did have a Eastern light on there, but it ended up snapping in half, so recommend not using it. We'll have, I believe, fly bottom bracket, and then we'll have heavy duty KMC chain. Let's see, now we got, I don't know exactly what kind of tire this is, got from a friend of mine. On a Odyssey quadrant rim, laced to a, I believe, a Colony. It's a purple hub. I got from a friend of mine because my old one ended up like busting. So, pretty much this is like a little project bike. Got little parts in there and trying to get new parts. But subscribe, comment, find me on Facebook, anything. Need some views and everything, need help.